Dogs are not just pets, they are family, our loyal companions. But are you unknowingly hurting them every day? 15 seemingly harmless actions could be seriously affecting your dog's health and well-being. Don't worry, we'll help you identify these mistakes and make changes today for a healthier, happier life for your dog. Hit that subscribe button now, and you won't want to miss the tips that will keep your dog joyful and healthy. 1. Leaving your dog alone for too long. Did you know that every time you leave the house, your beloved dog might feel lonely, scared, and helpless? Dogs are social animals, and they need your companionship and love. Leaving them alone for long periods doesn't just make them sad, it can lead to serious psychological problems like anxiety, fear, and destructive behavior. Think about it this way, your dog can't understand why you're gone, and they can't cope with loneliness as easily as humans. Try to spend more time with them. If you're at work, try to arrange for someone to look after your dog or consider getting a second pet for company. Dogs feel the love you give them, and that's what truly matters in nurturing a lasting bond. 2. Not giving your dog enough exercise. Dogs need exercise to stay healthy physically and mentally. If you don't take your dog on walks regularly, they will become tired, stressed, and may even develop serious health issues like obesity, joint problems, and heart disease. Not only does this decrease your dog's quality of life, but it can also affect the bond between you two. 3. Feeding your dog the wrong food. The wrong food can harm your dog's digestive system and lead to serious health problems like food poisoning, obesity, and kidney issues. You may not realize it, but the food you give your dog could be the source of their tummy troubles and discomfort. Love through smart choices. Don't let your dog eat human food. Opt for food specially designed for dogs that is nutritious and safe. Taking care of each meal your dog eats is like taking care of yourself. Their health is your happiness. 4. Using a tight leash. You probably don't want your dog to feel uncomfortable every time you take them out for a walk, right? A tight leash can hurt your dog's neck, limit their movement, and even make it difficult for them to breathe. This not only affects their physical health but also their mental well-being, making them scared of going outside. Feel the comfort. Make sure your dog's leash is always well fitted and not too tight. Consider using a harness instead of a collar to reduce pressure on their neck. A relaxed walk, free from stress, will make both you and your dog feel happier than ever. 5. Cutting their nails incorrectly. Cutting your dog's nails can be tricky, but if you don't do it properly, you may cause them unnecessary pain. Cutting too deep can cause bleeding, discomfort, and even make your dog afraid of nail trims in the future. Be gentle and patient. Take your time when cutting your dog's nails. Use the right tools and make sure to trim gently to avoid hurting them. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask a vet or experienced groomer for help. Taking care of your dog's health is the most loving thing you can do for them. 6. Not getting regular vet checkups. Nothing is more important than your dog's health. Hidden health issues may not show immediate signs, but if left undiagnosed, they can develop into serious conditions over time. Care now for a lifetime of health. Take your dog to the vet regularly for health checkups and vaccinations. Early detection of illnesses allows for timely treatment, keeping your dog protected from dangerous diseases. Their health is your happiness. 7. Punishing instead of training. Dogs don't understand punishment the way humans do. Yelling at or hitting your dog won't teach them anything, it only makes them scared and damages the trust between you. Dogs need guidance, not fear. Love through positive reinforcement. Instead of punishing, use positive reinforcement methods. Reward your dog when they do something right and be patient when they make mistakes. This will help you build a solid bond based on love and trust, not fear. 8. Invading your dog's personal space. Dogs also need their own space to rest and relax. Don't disturb them every time they need some peace. Ignoring their need for solitude can lead to stress and discomfort. Respect their peace. Create a quiet space for your dog where they can rest without being disturbed. Ensure it's cozy and away from noise, so they can unwind whenever they need to. Respecting their need for alone time will strengthen your relationship with them. 9. Giving too many treats. We all want to spoil our dogs with delicious treats, but giving them too many can lead to health problems like obesity, heart disease, and digestive issues. Treats should never be the main part of their diet. Balance is key. Treats should be given in moderation. Make sure your dog's main meals are balanced and nutritious, and use treats as a reward or for training purposes. Healthy eating will keep your dog happy and energetic, and will ensure they live a long and healthy life. 10. Dressing them up when they don't like it. Not all dogs enjoy wearing clothes. For some, it can be uncomfortable and restrictive. Clothes that they can't remove on their own make them feel trapped and stressed. Respect their comfort. If your dog doesn't like wearing clothes, don't force them. Let them feel free and comfortable in their own fur. These small gestures of respect help build trust between you and your dog. 11. Ignoring their emotional needs. Dogs, like humans, have emotional needs. They experience feelings such as joy, fear, anxiety, and love. When you ignore these emotional needs or fail to notice when they are feeling anxious or upset, you can cause them unnecessary stress and confusion. Emotional neglect can lead to behavioral problems or even health issues due to the prolonged stress. Understand their feelings. Just as you would comfort a friend in distress, offer your dog the same care. If they are anxious or stressed, try to comfort them with a gentle touch, soothing voice, or a safe space. Acknowledge their emotions and provide reassurance. This will help build a strong emotional bond between you and your dog, allowing them to feel safe and loved. 12. Forcing them to interact with other dogs or people. Not every dog is naturally sociable, and some may be shy or fearful around other animals or strangers. Forcing them to interact with others when they are not ready can cause extreme stress and fear, damaging their social development. Respect their pace. Allow your dog to approach other animals or people on their own terms. If they seem uncomfortable or anxious, don't force the situation. Let them learn to interact at their own pace. By respecting their boundaries, you'll help your dog develop positive relationships with others and maintain their emotional well-being. 13. Shouting at them or using harsh discipline. Yelling at your dog in anger or frustration is never an effective way to communicate. Not only does this create fear and confusion, but it also weakens the trust between you and your dog. Dogs respond much better to positive reinforcement and calm, gentle guidance. Be patient and calm. Instead of shouting, use a firm but gentle tone to redirect unwanted behavior. Offer positive reinforcement when they behave well. Dogs thrive in an environment of patience and encouragement, and that's how they will learn to trust you and follow your lead. 14. Not grooming them regularly. Grooming is more than just keeping your dog looking nice. It's an essential part of their overall health and comfort. Failing to groom your dog regularly can lead to skin infections, matting, and discomfort. It's also an opportunity to check for any hidden health problems like fleas, ticks, or sores. Make grooming a positive experience. Regular brushing, bath time, and nail trims should be part of your dog's routine. Make it a bonding experience by talking to them gently and rewarding them afterward. Keeping your dog clean and well-groomed ensures their physical comfort and helps maintain a healthy coat and skin. 15. Treating them like an accessory. Dogs are not accessories or objects to be shown off. They are living beings with emotions, needs, and personalities. Treating them as anything less than a cherished family member can lead to neglect, resentment, and behavioral issues. Treat them like family. Your dog is a part of your life, and they deserve to be treated with love, respect, and care. Include them in family activities, show affection, and make them feel valued. By making your dog feel like an essential part of the family, you will build a deep, lasting connection and ensure their happiness for years to come. Don't let unintentional habits hurt them. Be the owner they truly deserve, and let your love shine through every action. Your dog will thank you with every wag of their tail, every loving glance, and endless loyalty. Take care of them, because they will always be the friend who never betrays you.